morning to the first day of eating, the first full day of eating. Just basically a full day of my meals, macros, and probably how I cook them. So, yeah. So very quickly, that is meal one. It's currently 10 to 11, so it's pretty late in the day. But I don't know if I'm going to work out today because normally it's my rest day, so carbs and fats might be a little bit lower. So yeah, meal one, pancakes, some syrup and some peanut butter. Protein pancakes, I'll have the macros on the screen somewhere around here. And that's it, you'll see me at meal two. Okay, so I know it's a full day of eating and it's not really food, but throughout the day I try and drink at least 1 gallon, so this is 1 gallon of water. I'm pretty far behind, I'm only about a quarter way through, but I drink at least 1 gallon of water and I pair it with this double concentrated summer fruits, so that way I'm able to drink a lot of water without getting bored of the fact that I'm drinking water. It's only got a couple of calories, I think. So per serving, like 5 cal. Don't really track it. And I've had another coffee, but now it's getting. I'm not even hungry. I know I'm gonna go out in a minute, and I know I'm gonna go into the city. So I need to eat before I go out there, so I don't binge on donuts and all the good stuff that's out and about during this Christmas period. So I'm gonna go into the kitchen, show you guys what it is. So this will be meal number 2. At around 2:30. Okay, so I'm gonna have some pre-cooked rice. Don't know how much is in there, so I'm gonna weigh it out, and I'll tell you guys once I've weighed it out. I'm gonna use it all basically. I've got some pre-cooked chicken that I cooked before in the week with some water, so I'm gonna have about 100 to 120 grams of that. It's like a chicken breast. I'm gonna have some of this spinach. Just because I don't want to be cooking some broccoli right now, just want something quick and easy. Along with some teriyaki sauce. I tried this yesterday. Pan fry it and then put the teriyaki sauce on. Doesn't have any calories on this, so I don't really know. I just know there's a lot of salt. I only put a little bit in it, so not really going to count that. And I think just because I need more fibre for today, I'm going to go ahead and throw in some of these kidney beans. So that's my meal. I'm going to have all this in this massive frying pan. Okay, so this is going to be meal 2. Like I said, it's just rice, chicken, some kidney beans, baby spinach and teriyaki sauce. It is now 2:45. I'm having my second meal of the day. Normally, because I'm on a bulk, I'm on a surplus of calories. I'd have more food by this time, probably about being on about my third meal of the day. But it's a Sunday, I woke up a little bit late and unsure on what the rest of the night holds. So yeah, this is meal 2. I'm going to eat this. Okay, so it's not really food, but the next thing, well, the Christmas lights were on then. So the next thing I'm going to have, it's no calories, but just because it's the first full day of eating, might as well include everything. I'm going to have some decaf Kenco coffee. Really enjoy the whole taste of coffee. I know some people don't, but I do enjoy it. Normally I have it black, but I fancy something a little bit sweet. So this is 0 calorie, sugar-free vanilla syrup. Got this from TK Maxx, I think, £4. For a full big bottle. I got hazelnut, caramel and vanilla. I do fancy something sweet and it keeps that sweet tooth at bay. So I'm gonna have that. Can we just appreciate how amazing, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, just a quick minute to, was this beard too long? I feel like it's getting too bushy, but I feel like on video it doesn't look as bad as what it actually is. And it is pretty bushy. It's like a little furrow. It's like going super long at this bottom bit here. Altogether. When I get my hair cut, get this beard cut, get it trimmed. It is winter season. Thank you. What is that? So, got some churros. It's a full day of eating, so I'm going to try and estimate about 1 million fat, about 1 million carbs. I don't know how much this is, but my first time tasting it. Some chocolate sauce.
Beautiful.
Absolutely perfected, just like a donut. And you just drink it, chase it down with some pure chocolate. Okay, so a follow-up on the churros I had before. I found an entry on MyFitnessPal as Costco's 1 churro. So I've put in 3 churros and it's come up with 42 fat, 72 carbs and 9 protein, so it's 702 calories. Obviously that's not accurate, but that's the closest I'm going to get to anything. It could be a little bit more on fat. It's probably about right on fat. It could be a little bit more on carbs, a little bit less. So I'm just going to track it as that and then eat the rest of my food accordingly. Then my next meal, I was going to go to the gym, but I'm not going to anymore. So my next meal will be plain and simple, 80 grams of porridge oats and a scoop and a half of protein for a protein shake. Just so I keep my carbs fairly low because I am on a rest day today. full day of eating, my first full day of eating. I've tracked all of my food in MyFitnessPal, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll have it somewhere on the screen around here. So basically I've had 2,619 calories, give or take because of the churros. I've hit 159 protein, which my goal was between 160 and 180. 297 carbs, which my goal is 300 carbs on rest days or 350 carbs on rest days. And 76 fat, so because I've gone over a little bit on my fat, normally I have about 60 to 65 on my rest days of fat, but I have 350 carb. I've taken a few calories for carbs for a few calories of fat. But again, that's just an estimate just because of the churros. I don't really know how to track them. This is just all an average. This is just all estimate, just because when you're eating out you don't want to be completely anal about it, so it is just a guesstimate. One day is not going to kill you.
La 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 la.
Thanks for that. I'm going to eat this massive bowl of oats. It's 80 grams of oats there. And saying that, I'm going to end the video here. I do hope you've enjoyed it. I'm hoping to do more full day of eatings just because I watched loads of them on YouTube and I really enjoyed them, so I'm hoping you guys will enjoy them. If you did like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if you'd like to see more of full day of eatings or anything really, if you want to see some workout videos, some vlogs, and please subscribe. So like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Crazy, 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 crazy.